Differences among yell, shout, and scream. The differences among yell, shout, and scream mainly lie in their intensity and context. Yell typically refers to raising one's voice loudly, often out of anger, excitement, or urgency. It's generally louder than normal speech, but not as intense as screaming. Shout. Similar to yelling, shouting involves speaking loudly to be heard over a distance or to convey strong emotions like joy, anger, or fear. It's often used interchangeably with yell, but can imply a more sudden or spontaneous act. Scream. Generally the loudest and most intense of the three. Screaming involves a high-pitched and often sharp vocalization. It's usually associated with fear, pain, extreme excitement, or intense emotions. I hope that helps. Happy learning!
Neethus Academy, India's #1 language academy.